Topic number 2. History of Law. 1. Introduction to Law and Legal Systems. Definition and purpose of law. Law is a set of rules created by authorities to maintain order, protect individuals' rights, and ensure fairness in society. It regulates the behavior of individuals, organizations, and governments, ensuring that justice is served. The primary functions of law are to prevent harm, resolve disputes, protect property, and maintain social order. It ensures individuals' freedoms and rights while enforcing consequences for unlawful actions. The purpose of law is to establish justice, equality, and accountability in society, providing a framework for solving problems, preventing conflict, and promoting fairness. By providing a clear set of rules and guidelines, laws help protect individuals from harm, ensure safety, and offer resolutions to disagreements. Evolution of legal systems. Legal systems have evolved over thousands of years and are deeply rooted in historical, cultural, and social changes. Early societies developed legal codes to manage disputes, ensure fairness, and regulate social conduct. As civilizations grew more complex, legal systems became more sophisticated. Over time, the different legal traditions, including common law, civil law, and religious law, emerged in different parts of the world. These systems reflect the values, beliefs, and priorities of each society. 2. Ancient legal systems. Code of Hammurabi, Babylon. One of the earliest known written legal codes is the Code of Hammurabi, created by King Hammurabi of Babylon around 1754 BCE. The code had 282 laws that addressed various aspects of daily life, such as family relations, commerce, and criminal justice. The famous principle of an eye for an eye was central to this code, indicating that punishments should fit the crimes. The code also introduced protections for the vulnerable, including women, children, and slaves. It marked a significant shift towards standardized, public laws, setting the foundation for modern legal systems. Egyptian law. Ancient Egyptian law was influenced by religion, particularly the concept of Ma'at, the goddess of truth, justice, and cosmic order. Pharaohs, as divine rulers, were tasked with upholding Ma'at, ensuring that the laws reflected divine will. Egyptian law was mostly unwritten, and judges were expected to interpret laws based on customs and religious principles. Though Egyptian law was not codified, it governed areas like property, family, and criminal law. It played a crucial role in maintaining societal stability and order, reflecting the close relationship between religion and governance in ancient Egypt. Hindu and Vedic law. Hindu law developed from religious texts such as the Vedas and the Manusmriti, and emphasized duties, dharma, based on social roles and caste. The Manusmriti, written around 200 BCE, offered guidelines for daily conduct, including marriage, inheritance, and criminal law. It played a significant role in shaping social norms in ancient India, though its influence diminished over time. Hindu law remains influential in modern India, particularly in areas of family law, despite changes due to colonial and modern influences. Chinese legal traditions. Chinese legal traditions were shaped by two major philosophical schools, Confucianism and legalism. Confucianism focused on moral values, social harmony, and the role of leaders as moral exemplars. In contrast, legalism emphasized strict laws and harsh punishments to maintain order. During the Qin dynasty, 221 to 206 BCE, legalism became the foundation of governance, with centralized power and uniform legal standards. These legal traditions greatly influenced the governance structure in China, and elements of Confucian thought still shape Chinese law today. 3. Classical legal systems. Greek law, Solon's reforms. Ancient Greece introduced key concepts of democracy and legal participation, especially during the reforms of Solon, a statesman in Athens. In the 6th century BCE, Solon reformed the legal system to address social inequalities, abolishing debt slavery and introducing more democratic practices. He created a system of written laws that applied to all citizens, marking a significant step in legal development. Greek law also laid the foundation for modern democratic legal systems, emphasizing public participation in legal processes and the importance of civic rights. Roman law, 12 tables, Justinian Code. Roman law, especially the 12 tables, 450 BCE, was one of the most influential legal systems in history. These tables outlined basic laws that governed family, property, and criminal justice. The Corpus Juris Civilis, Justinian Code, compiled under Emperor Justinian in the 6th century CE, further systematized Roman legal principles and had a profound impact on European law. Roman law's concepts of jus civile, civil law, and legal precedent continue to influence modern legal systems, particularly in civil law countries like France, Spain, and many parts of Latin America. 4. Medieval legal systems. Feudal law and customary law. During the medieval period, Europe was largely governed by feudal law, a system based on land ownership and obligations between lords and vassals. Under feudalism, legal rights were determined by relationships of loyalty and service. Disputes were often resolved locally, with customary laws passed down orally within communities. Customary law was often unwritten and based on long-standing practices. It played a crucial role in medieval society, offering basic protections for individuals and ensuring the continuity of local traditions. Islamic law, Sharia. Islamic law, known as Sharia, is based on the Quran, the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, and the Hadith. Sharia covers various aspects of life, including family, property, criminal law, and contracts. It emphasizes justice and equity, and its principles have shaped legal systems in Islamic countries for centuries. Though interpretations of Sharia vary, it has influenced not only legal systems in the Middle East but also countries in Asia and Africa. Modern debates about Sharia focus on its integration with secular legal systems in contemporary societies. Canon law, church laws. Canon law refers to the body of law developed by the Catholic Church. It governed religious matters, such as the administration of sacraments, but also extended to broader societal matters, including marriage and morality. Canon law had a significant influence on medieval European law, particularly in areas related to family and personal conduct. The Church's influence over legal matters gradually waned in Europe, but its early contributions to legal thought helped shape modern concepts of justice and rights. 5. Development of common and civil law. English common law and Magna Carta. English common law evolved over centuries from the decisions of judges in courts, relying on precedents set by previous cases. This system, based on case law, became the foundation for legal systems in English-speaking countries. The Magna Carta, signed in 1215, was a pivotal document in limiting the power of the monarchy and establishing legal rights for citizens. It introduced principles like due process and protection from arbitrary rule, laying the groundwork for modern constitutional law. Civil law tradition, Napoleonic Code. The civil law tradition, based on written codes and statutes, is exemplified by the Napoleonic Code, introduced in France in 1804. The code consolidated laws into a single, clear framework that has influenced the legal systems of many countries in Europe and Latin America. In contrast to common law, civil law relies more on written laws and codes, with judges interpreting the law based on these codified statutes rather than judicial precedents. 6. Colonial and post-colonial legal systems. British, French, and Spanish colonial laws. During the colonial era, European powers imposed their legal systems on colonies worldwide. British colonial law established common law traditions in countries like India, Canada, and Australia. French and Spanish colonial powers, on the other hand, spread civil law traditions throughout Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. These colonial legal systems persisted in many countries even after independence, though many nations implemented legal reforms to better reflect their own identities and cultural values. Legal reforms in the 19th and 20th centuries. Following decolonization, many nations embarked on legal reforms to remove colonial legacies and address human rights concerns. These reforms focused on creating legal frameworks that were more inclusive and reflective of local needs, and they emphasized individual rights and freedoms, especially during the civil rights movements in the 20th century. 7. Modern legal systems and international law. Human rights and constitutional law. After World War II, international human rights gained prominence with the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations in 1948. Many countries incorporated these principles into their constitutions, ensuring legal protection for fundamental rights. International human rights law has continued to evolve, with efforts to ensure that individuals are protected from discrimination and injustice. This development has shaped modern legal systems by embedding the protection of rights as a core principle. Development of international law, United Nations, ICC, WTO. International law has grown significantly, particularly in areas like human rights, trade, and environmental law. The establishment of institutions like the United Nations, UN, International Criminal Court, ICC, and World Trade Organization, WTO, has facilitated global cooperation and provided mechanisms for resolving conflicts and enforcing international agreements. These institutions work to promote peace, justice, and cooperation on global issues such as climate change, terrorism, and international trade. 8. Legal history in specific regions. History of law in South Asia, Pakistan, India. In South Asia, legal systems evolved through a mix of Hindu law, Islamic law, and colonial influence. In India, British colonial rule introduced common law principles, which still shape the legal system today. Pakistan, after its creation in 1947, inherited a legal system based on both British common law and Islamic law. Over time, both countries have adapted their legal systems to reflect local cultural, religious, and political realities. American and European legal developments. In the United States, the legal system is based on English common law, but it has been shaped by the U.S. Constitution and the unique political and social context of the country. Europe, on the other hand, has a mixed system of civil law and common law traditions, with countries like France and Germany relying on civil law and the UK following common law principles. Evolution of law in the Middle East. In the Middle East, the influence of Islamic law has been significant. Countries like Saudi Arabia have legal systems based primarily on Sharia, while others, like Egypt, have mixed legal systems combining civil law with Islamic law. The Middle East continues to grapple with modernizing its legal systems while respecting traditional religious and cultural norms. 9. Evolution of minority laws. Legal protections for minorities in history. Throughout history, legal systems often failed to protect minorities who were subjected to discrimination, exclusion, and violence. However, as societies modernized, laws protecting minorities became more common, particularly during the civil rights movements in the 20th century. Development of minority laws in modern times. Modern legal systems have made significant strides in protecting minority rights, ensuring that laws prevent discrimination based on race, religion, gender, and other factors. Landmark laws such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 in the United States and the International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, 1965, reflect global progress toward greater equality and justice. 10. The future of law. Impact of technology and AI on legal systems. Technology, particularly artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the legal profession. AI tools are improving efficiency in legal research, case analysis, and document review. However, they also raise concerns about fairness and transparency, especially in automated decision-making processes. Trends in global legal reforms. Global legal systems will continue to evolve, influenced by emerging technologies, human rights issues, and global challenges. Legal reforms will increasingly focus on issues such as climate change, cybersecurity, and digital privacy. The continued protection of individual rights will be central to these reforms, ensuring justice and equality for all. As society faces new challenges, the law must adapt while preserving fundamental values of fairness, equality, and justice. The future of law will require continuous innovation, cooperation, and commitment to human dignity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the history of law is a reflection of humanity's ongoing quest for justice, order, and fairness. From the ancient legal codes like the Code of Hammurabi to modern systems of international law, legal frameworks have continuously evolved to meet the changing needs of societies. As we move forward, the law must adapt to new challenges brought about by technological advancements, global interconnectedness, and the pursuit of human rights. The future of law will be shaped by its ability to balance tradition with innovation, ensuring justice, equality, and protection for all individuals in a rapidly changing world.